Hi, I'm Dr. Parcells. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in hip and knee surgeries. I'm a surgeon with Seaview Orthopaedics, and we're located throughout central New Jersey. In today's discussion, I'm going to review injections for the hip. Injections for the hip are mostly given as a treatment for arthritis, and it's a really great way to delay or even prevent the need for a hip replacement. Arthritis is basically the loss of cartilage in your hip joint that then triggers a lot of pain and inflammation because you've lost the shock absorber and the lubricating agent within the hip. Before we say you need a joint replacement, you need surgery, oftentimes I'll recommend a hip injection. And the purpose of that injection is to place steroid within the hip joint in order to wash out the pain and inflammation and kind of hit the reset button on the hip. So if you look at this big model of the skeleton, you can see that the hip is located right here. It's a ball and socket joint where the leg bone meets up with the pelvis. What we try and do is get the needle into the proper position within the joint, right along the head of the femur, and we place cortisone in that spot. Now, if you look at this smaller model, you can see that the hip joint is actually covered by this soft tissue called a capsule. It's like a bubble that surrounds the joint, and it normally functions to hold joint fluid in position. Joint fluid is like a motor oil that's circulating throughout the joint to help lubricate the joint. What's nice is that you can add just a little bit of steroid and lidocaine into that capsule in order to provide medication that doesn't travel throughout the whole body, that stays in the area of pain and inflammation and quickly reduces your symptoms. When you do get a shot, it's typically done with an X-ray machine to help guide the needle into the correct position. You can drive home from the office that day. It oftentimes takes 2 or 3 days. I've had some patients say it takes up to a week for the medication to fully kick in. I would say that 95% of the time, the injection works, meaning it reduces pain and inflammation in your hip by more than 75%. The million-dollar question with these injections is, how long will they last for? And that really helps to dictate kind of future treatment. If you get this shot and it lasts you 4 to 6 months, I think that's pretty successful. I get some patients who say it lasts them over a year, and that's, ideal. But if it can last you 6 months, it's very safe to give this type of shot twice a year in perpetuity until it really stops lasting that long. In contrast, if you get this shot and it only lasts a week or two, that's a pretty good signal that the arthritis has gotten so bad that a simple cortisone shot is not going to be effective as a treatment. Again, the cortisone is almost like throwing a bucket of water on a fire. You're washing out all the heat that's built up in the hip. However, the fire can rekindle and form from the underlying arthritis, which is not really being treated with the injection. So the loss of cartilage does not get treated. The inflammation that comes from the loss of cartilage is what the shot is getting rid of.